This explosion at a chemical factory in Argentina was so powerful it shattered windows 2 miles away. Last night, a factory in Ezeiza, just outside Buenos Aires, erupted in a massive blast. The shockwave was felt for kilometres. Residents said their homes shook, glass exploded from the pressure, and some compared it to videos they'd seen of Beirut. This is Plásticos Largo, a facility that makes plastic containers for chemicals and agrochemicals. At least 20 people were injured. 15 fire crews are still battling the flames. Authorities evacuated nearby neighbourhoods and warned residents to stay inside with windows closed because of potentially toxic fumes. The cause is still under investigation. Stay safe if you're in the area.
Vamos, corre.